Good morning. Thanks for your company. This Thursday, the 5th of November, I'm Jessica Amir, market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, US equities rallied for the third straight day, looking past the idea that the presidential election result could be contested, while Trump's campaign have taken legal action to halt the counting of ballots in two key states, Michigan and Pennsylvania. We saw Biogen shares lead the advance, rising 44% after the FDA appeared to deem its drug as effective in treating Alzheimer's, while tech darlings continued to do well as the Republican Party appears to be winning the Senate, which means taxes will likely not be increased. So Facebook shares rose over 8%, almost making the same gain as Adobe, while Google parent Alphabet rose 6%. Now, this all helped the Nasdaq lift the most, outperform the three major indices, up 3.9%, while the broader S&P rose 2.2% and the Dow lifted 1.3%. Oil advanced 3% to $39.06 US a barrel as US oil supply fell. Safe havens continue to lose funds. Gold lost 0.6%. It's now $1,899 US an ounce, while the US dollar against a bunch of currencies fell 0.1%. And bonds have been fairly volatile. The yield touched a 5-month high early in the session, with investors exiting out of the safe haven of bonds as Trump appeared to lead the election. But tables turned and Biden has gained the upper hand, or so it seems, and investors bought back into bonds, which pushed the yield down 0.8%. As for local trade, the market is eyeing a lift today of 0.3%. That's if you go by the futures. What to watch? Well, the first major thing, of course, the US election. Secondly, New South Wales borders open to Victoria on the 23rd of November, which supports Qantas's recovery, you'd think. And thirdly, the Australian government has secured 2 more potential COVID-19 vaccines, 40 million doses being developed by biotech company Novavax and 10 million doses being produced by Pfizer and BioNTech. Both vaccine trials are in stage 3 trials, and now this supports the share market recovery, so you'd think as well. Results today out for National Australia Bank, Goodman Group and GWA. AGMs, well, there's plenty. AMC, ANN, Coles, Dow, EHE, while close attention will be paid to Flight Centre as travel restrictions are easing, and Treasury winds AGM really on the back of the China import ban. So pay close attention to those if you're looking at investing or if you are invested. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, Bell Potter increased the buy rating of Domino's Pizza, bumping up its target to $99.30, implying 14% upside in a year, really as sales are continuing to grow and new store openings are progressing as expected in Japan, France and Germany. And Domino's Pizza also reaffirmed its 3- and 5-year guidance levels, while Bell Potter says DMP looks comfortably able to achieve its targets for this financial year amid strong pizza sales growth. And Bell Potter upgraded IMDEX from a hold to a buy, increasing its target to 145. That implies 20% upside in a year. Bell Potter says IMDEX, the tech company which is behind the mining sector, if it's preferred by some mining companies, well, its recovery is supported by the strong recovery in global exploration over the next 2 years. That's according to Bell Potter. And lastly, keep an eye on Qantas today. UBS has a stock as a buy, a $5.25 target. Qantas has seen a bit of a share price momentum, in fact, quite strong. It's up about 9% so far this week. Now, this is supported by the reopening of the borders, and UBS encourages people to think about the upside regardless of international travel being restricted, excluding New Zealand, of course. Lastly, keep an eye on 3 stocks from a technical trading perspective: Pact Group, Frontier Digital Ventures and Red 5, all showing strong bullish signals according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Thanks for your company. Stay safe. Happy trading.